YouTube, your boy Davo going through a bad day, shorty. Tell me why my motherfucking engine light just came on, man. This ain't even a normal intro, but god damn. So today we will be trying to blow the motor, shorty.
This shit make you look so stupid.
I'm finna risk it all, man. Y'all know I got a warranty for a reason. I'm finna risk it all. We finna try to blow this motherfucker in 10 to 15 minutes, man. We finna try to blow this motherfucker. And I just got my new plates in. We in it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This joint is looking dirty, but I'm gonna go clean it up. Just not right now. We finna try to blow this motherfucking engine. So we go get straight into the video. The engine light just came on, so we gotta take it up to get warranty work either way it go. And I just got it scanned. I just got everything scanned. So we don't even gotta worry about it. And y'all, I ain't even tell y'all, my freaking hood pin on this side is damaged. Like that joint don't push in at all, bro. So they gonna have to replace that too. We gonna just have them, cause we already had that in the contract, but I just never brought it back up to them. This is why you get a warranty, y'all. Especially if you got over 40,000 miles and you finna buy a car, man, get a warranty. Please get a warranty. But as you can see, we already went and they already diagnosed it and all that. So I'm gonna show y'all after we try to blow this motherfucker. I'm trying to be outside of the road today.
What?
Hold up, let me make sure. Modes. Tracky. Boost me up. Just to give y'all boys a better POV view, I want to be all the way up for y'all boys. Y'all see these seats, man? Yeah, old school. Yeah, old school. Ooh, down center. Ah! God, another. Oh, this bitch jerking. Y'all seen that? Hey, yo, my dead cousin. But no, hey, it was a crazy crash that just happened over here too, bro. 2 people died. They ended up hitting a like a semi-trailer, bro. One of those, they ended up hitting them off on 130th, which is literally right here, bro. That shit was everywhere. I even asked my cousin, bro. I don't know what the hell. Oh, shit. Hold on. Let me back up, shorty. Don't hit this motherfucker. Old school ass tweaking. But I literally asked my cousin, because he worked at this Ford, bro. I asked him literally, bro, 8 hours later. And he was literally up at work the whole time. I think I asked him about it. What you mean what's going on over here? Boy, I'm like, you don't know what's going on? 2 niggas just died right outside. Oh, yo, motherfucking job site. I was just surprised that they wasn't in that joint talking about it. Yeah. Ooh, slow this bitch down, Davo. Slow this bitch down. But it happened, I think it happened on that side. The trailer was trying to make a left, and he ended up smacking him. Crazy story. Bro, this motherfucker sound like a real race car, gang. We finna try to blow it. We finna try to fucking blow it. Try to blow it. Wait, better try to blow it. Hey, man, y'all need to slow down. Man, this bitch. You hear that, motherfucker? Hey, I know y'all hear this joint over the camera, gang. There's no way y'all don't hear it. Ooh! There's no way that y'all don't hear this joint over the camera, gang. Unless this wind is, hold up, let me try to. Unless this wind is interfering with the joint, but it shouldn't be. No way y'all don't hear this motherfucker. Bitch, come on. Come on. Oh! This joint jerking a little bit too much. Bro, did I turn down the wrong? I think I turned down the wrong motherfucking road. Ay. This wasn't the road that I was trying to turn down. I turned way too motherfucking early. I think we could go around. We should be able to go around. Ooh, shit. Damn, they be doing donuts right here? What the fuck? Bro, this bitch is jerking so crazy. Before we finna drop this motherfucker off. See, that was the road I was trying to turn on. Y'all these Ford vehicles. And I'm here too. Hold up, shorty. Hold up, shorty. Slow that bitch down. God. They be overly testing out these vehicles, and I want to test out mine. So let's do it. We finna test these joints out together. God, my motherfucking God, folks. Oh my motherfucking God, bro. Oh my motherfucking God, bro. Ford dealership in a Ford, though? By the Ford dealership in a Ford? Carbon fiber! Spank, 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 spank. It's a motherfucking spankathon, shorty. Alfa Romeo. That bitch tinted out too. It gotta be some YNs in there. Hey, you cannot trust those Alfa Romeos, man. Them joints be getting stolen too, bro. I ain't even go cut his ass off. I'ma just let his ass go. Them motherfuckers shiesty. Don't get it twisted. Motherfuckers be doing hits out of them bitches. Nah, though, y'all. That freaking intake was the best thing that I ever did to this car, bro. That motherfucker. Y'all keep telling me to port this joint. I gotta port it for y'all? Y'all, man, bro, y'all gotta turn this video up. Turn this video up, bro, and I'ma port it for y'all. How about that? Turn this video up and I'ma say, fuck the warranty, shorty. But this is exactly why I tell y'all, bro. Y'all need y'all warranties, bro. Because if y'all don't have y'all warranties, issues like this, and I'm gonna tell y'all right now what is wrong with the car. There's nothing wrong with the car. It's just an engine light for no reason. No. Hold up. So, hold up, I got some people behind me. So, this says check engine light fail, ABS pass, all of that good stuff. And then down here, this is the code P2632. They just recommended, I think they said like a fuel pump module or something like that. Let me see, because I can't read and drive at the same time. I can barely read. I can barely motherfucking, I could drive, but I can barely motherfucking read. So we go, damn, they got a couple of, I might have to stop by to come back. But, yeah, man, fuel pump control. So, I even looked up on ChatGPT. Y'all know ChatGPT is my best friend. And ChatGPT said that it could be like a fuse relay, fuel pump module, whatever, man. I don't know what it is. A fuel pump. I don't know what it is, but we're finna get it fixed. So, yeah, man. That's what it is. And I tweaked, boy. I gave they ass 27K miles. This motherfucker got damn near 50 on it. I tried to make it sound good to the girl. Nah, she wasn't even a girl. She was a grown-ass woman. Damn near 40-something. Definitely tried to make it sound good. We got 27. She damn near plugged it up. Like, what the fuck? He trying to roll it back in the system. But yeah, though, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know when we get to CarMax, because we gotta go to Indiana to freaking CarMax, bro, to drop this car off. So I'm gonna see if most likely they're not gonna be able to do it today. But as long as they could get my car out of there by Wednesday, then we should be good. Today is Saturday, so as soon, man, this video is gonna go up Wednesday though when I get the car back. Y'all know I don't leave my cars and like I don't drop my cars off and tell y'all where they go be at, so y'all could go in. Yeah, man, my name is Davo. My name is 773. Hell, you ain't finna pick my shit up, boy. But, nah, though, man. We on the way there right now, shorty. All right, y'all. So, I did not end up going to CarMax. I just ended up checking it out myself. I went to go buy one of these little cheap joints. One of these things just to reset the engine light and all of that, because the code really wasn't that serious at all, bro. Like once I just started researching it, the code wasn't that serious at all. But I'm gonna just show y'all what I did, because I got this joint, literally I got this joint damn near gutted out, because I was trying to find a freaking fuel pump control module. So I done literally gutted out this whole, I know y'all finna laugh at me. But your boy Davo done gutted out this whole joint trying to find a freaking fuel pump control module. ChatGPT be helping, bro, but sometimes, bro, they be tripping out. So basically, they told me that it was, damn, what the fuck is that? That's a damn June bug. But nah, though, y'all. So they told me that it was like under the fabric. So I'm taking pictures and all that. So I ended up taking this out. And then I ended up taking a picture of this, bro. They told me that that wasn't it. And then I ended up taking a picture of this. They told me that wasn't it. And then they told me that it's possibly under the car. I'm like, bro. Look, I ended up taking off this freaking skid plate. So basically, I was just playing around with like the wires. Not playing around with them, but I just disconnected these wires. I checked them. And then I disconnected this. I checked it. But I just couldn't find a module. So I was looking. Bro, the whole time, this is literally the module right here, bro. It's literally say, bro, FP. Damn. That motherfucker flying. But it literally say, bro, fuel pump control module, FPCM. So it's like, man, that shit, that's why, like, bro, I literally Googled it. I literally did all of that. They saying that it's on this side, like over here, bro. I'm literally sticking my whole hand trying to feel, bro. I don't feel nothing but just straight wires. But yeah, so also what I did, pop these open. I checked up in here, bro. It's a lot of rocks, like little bitty rocks and all that up in there though too. Needs about vacuum, suck that out. And then I opened up this one. I disconnected all of these little connectors, checked them. They was all good, bro. Shoot, then I just disconnected that freaking PCM connector. Checked it out. It was all good. So it's like, and also, I was going to show y'all too that I even checked out the fuses. And the fuses was good. So I don't think that I got a bad fuel pump. But the fuses I checked, I'm going to just show y'all like the fuel fuses. So I checked this fuse right here. Then I checked both of these fuses, both of these 30 joints, and they was all good, bro. None of them was blown. So it was just really confusing me how it was throwing a damn code, bro. But yeah, man, so I bust this bitch all the way down, gang. All the way, trying to find one thing. But we finally found it, so I ain't gonna complain. I unplugged it. I checked this joint. And I checked inside of here. It ain't look like that. Nothing was bent. Nothing was after it. So, shoot, I unplugged it for a little minute. Plugging this joint back in right now. Stick that joint in. And as soon as you got that joint in enough, just close and then it'll close tighter. So, shoot. Hopefully when we drive around, push this shit back. Start this joint up for y'all. GT5. But yeah, though, bro, I'm like, bro, I ain't finna drive all the way to Indiana. I'm gonna clear this code first, and if it stays off, then we know that what I did. So I'm gonna give y'all boys an update. But as of right now, we're looking good, boys. We're looking wonderful. Cause until I drive it, fuck is that? Alright. 7%. It's off though, so shit, that's all that matters. The code is off. Alright, so if we hit that back, see, say it's pending, but we erased it, so click that, erase. Yep, I'm sure. Then it just says erase was successful. So shoot, once you do that and once it's at 100%, it's just gonna be off, man. Yep. So that's all we just gonna do for right now. I'm gonna drive this joint around, see how this joint coming, bolt all of this back up, put all of this back together, throw my freaking back seat back together, man, because I would rip that motherfucker out trying to find that motherfucker. I wasn't going. But just a newer platform. But it's like, I feel like a lot of when it comes to like American cars, bro, I feel like a lot of stuff is low-key in the same area. A lot of modules and all that be just in the same area. So that's really what you gotta go off. Like, just go off your motherfucking experience sometimes. It's like, why the fuck would a module be under the motherfucking kind of motherfucking rear? Like, I don't even know why I even checked it. But shit, you never know with these cars. You never know with these Fords. I never even had a Ford. I never owned a Ford at all when it comes to no type of Ford at all. But hey, I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in this video. This joint clear, so I'm gonna give y'all boys an update in the next video. I'm gonna let y'all boys know if this joint is still clear, but if it's not, we go drop this motherfucker off and get warranty work done on this joint. But I think it's not a freaking big code anyway, so we should be good. It's not a engine code, it's just like a little fuel code. So shoot, if it come down to it, we gonna end up replacing what they recommended, which was, let me see, additional part required. No, let me see. Recommended to replace fuel pump control module, but hey, we might not have to do that at all. But if we have to do that, that's just gonna be a whole video for y'all boys that we're gonna do and that y'all are gonna enjoy. So hit a like button, hit a sub button. It's been your boy Dave with my hands dirty short. Y'all know I hate getting my motherfucking hands dirty, but hit that like button, hit that sub button. It's been your boy Dave. We out, gang. Peace. I just tore this motherfucker up, shorty. I had a long day. Like I said though, y'all, peace.